give me many advice and how work from the internet and how profit from the internet because I'm poor man and my family poor and I I have to 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 uh, to, to study and know how work from the internet and
So, once again, I apologize for butchering your name, but Yornis. I'm be honest with you, I'm terrible with names, so I do apologize. Maybe it's the dyslexia. Never know, but I wanna help you out. So I posted a video for you yesterday to show you just like hey, you can make money off this. This is a winning product, but you still probably can make a decent amount of money off this if you were still interested in selling this. You just got to find it cheaper. Amazon was selling cheap until today. Now they're selling for like 73. I believe it's 73, 75. So now it's like, can't really make money off it now. This type of game, when it comes to drop shipping, you can, you got to find a good supplier that will keep their prices for at least. I always do my listings for at least seven, 3 to 7 days. Usually they tell you the price, but you want to do it for that particular day. So let's get into it real quick. So he's just been having trouble because he doesn't really have money and he just need help doing this. Now I do want to inform you and let you know when it comes to eBay and any type of like online e-commerce store, you gotta have some capital. You have to have capital. So I don't recommend using the money that you only have to take care of your family and yourself. I don't recommend using this money to make money on eBay or any other platform because this money that you have, this money should only be used for business use only. You don't if you only have $1,000 to take care of your family for a month and you want to use that $1,000 for the business, that's not good business. You're moving backwards. So you want to try to work, get another job or try to work towards having additional money. Now, let's say that you work a second job or so, work, some extra shifts to make an extra $100. You still have your $1,000 for the family to make sure the family is good, pay for bills and everything. But now you have $1,100. Take that 100 and put it towards the business. So that's that money is not that $100 should not be used to instead of everybody getting cupcakes on Friday. I mean, 4 cupcakes on Friday for the family. Now we can get 5 cupcakes for the family. No, that $100 should be only used for the business. So now that you create yourself additional capital, use that money into eBay or so. So let's get into this. And I just want to just explain that and just let you know that if you don't have the money to invest, because this is what this all is investment. This is not something that could always guarantee you profit. Now, if you can always drop ship, I don't mind you drop shipping. Drop shipping is probably the easiest and safest way to prevent you from being in a predicament where you lose money. But at the same time, when the opportunity comes where you have a sale, you're going to have to come up with that money. You're going to have that money right there and then. So that's the only problem. So let's get into this real quick and let's go ahead. Now that I got that out the way, let's go ahead and look into some products. So I'm going to give you another winning product that I came across that I know for a fact that's able to be sold. So let's look at that real quick. So let's get out of here. I already did my research and checked it out. So this, excuse me. So the Jerry Can 5 gallon military not a military metal steel tank holder. This is going for $41.95. It's trending for a good price. So that means that a whole lot of people have been buying it. So it's trending. And this person sold more than 49% sold. So that's really good. That's very good and impressive. So that's really good to check out for. And in a way, they practically told you where they got their stuff from, Causeway. So that's something to check out. And you can look at everybody else just seeing, hey, if they're selling also. So you just, what you want to do, you want to check all your competitors and see what they're selling. If they got watchers, and if they sold them, you're looking for at least two people that's been able to sell. So as you can see, it's only 3 people that's on this list. And this person sold 25 and they sold 82% of their items. So that's very good. So you want to take advantage of that and check and see who's selling. Once you got that information, what you just do, you go ahead and Google that the name and you just go ahead and search. I already did a no, and I take that back. I apologize. You don't actually just jump straight to that. What you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to your seller profit calculator and see how much you're making money off of. So the regular price, I'm sorry, I'm tripping. I am tripping. So now that you see that this product is selling for that price, you want to go look for a supplier. So I came across this supplier and I found that this supplier was Costco. They were selling for $33.95. This is not like a big, huge margin that you can take advantage of. My pet peeve, you should always try to make a margin of at least minimum of 10% and higher. But like I said, some people, a few dollars would go a long way. So I want to just bring that out and just let everybody know. And then also, you got to be careful too when you're doing this because it could be on sale today, but it can be off sale tomorrow. Usually, I've been working in retail for about 7 to 8 years, and usually they keep a price the same for at least 7 days. So you have 7 days, 5 to 7 days to take advantage of a deal that's going on. So you want to match up your listing for that. Because once that listing is, once it's not $33.95, it's going to go to 42, and you're going to be losing money from there. So now that you figured that out, you see that it's going for the price is exactly that. So you got some pictures where you can go ahead and put some pictures on there, take the pictures from there. I always recommend you editing the pictures because sometimes you take these pictures off these websites and everything. They can find it and then they can force you to remove your listing off your particular eBay list. So that's something that happened to me. So you always want to try to edit it. You can edit pictures from Facebook, all the other apps that you have. I'm going to let you do the research from there. So now that you found your supplier, we found our supplier, let's go to the seller profit calculator. So the seller profit calculator on original price is $33.95. This particular seller that we came across, I said, nobody's selling for that price. So hey, we can sell it for that price. If we can make it look good, we can sell it for $44.95. Because usually what happens, people are like, oh, why so cheap? That's, $44.95 is not that bad of a price. And you can always go down or high. So let's say they were selling for $44.95. So once we calculate that, you actually make a profit of $4.90. $4.90, that's not that good, but at the same time, it's pretty decent. And you would be able to get a sell. You just have to be able to do a few things. You have to know how to list it correctly and make sure that people that your particular list is on like the top 5. So what I usually do, from there, and once you go from there, you just list it. You just go ahead and list that bad boy. Get the pictures from here. This person put 6 pictures, so you want to make sure you do 7. So you want to look for some extra pictures that they don't have. Like find a picture that has a car in there that have it connected to a car. That's something different. You want to think outside the box because other people haven't done that. So you want to take advantage of that. So go ahead and take advantage of this deal, this amazing deal that's going on right now, and you can make some money. But once again, you have to be able to understand that this is investment. This is not for you to make $1 million overnight. This stuff takes time. It took me a while for me to get to where I was at. And patience is the key. If you are in situations where you don't have the money and you need to know how to invest, the main thing that you got to do is just educate yourself on finance, how what type of lifestyle I have. If you don't have a budget right now, you don't know where your money is going, you do not need to be doing eBay at all right now. And I'm not trying to be harsh or mean, but you have to understand where your money is going. I have an app called Mint, and let me see if I can pull it up. Pull it up for you. Pull it up. It's my little man. So where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. Cannot find it. Cannot find it. Where's that silly app? I cannot find my app. So, anyways, I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna look it up from here. So this is the app. This is the app right here. I'm not gonna even get into it. So this is the app. This basically tell you everything about what's going on in your account. You can have it connected to your business account, your everything, your PayPal account, everything. And this really helps me because it tells me and gives me the perspective of like what I'm spending on. Let me see if I can get into it for you real quick. As you can see, this it gives you a big perspective of perspective. I don't know what I'm saying, of just how you manage and pay for your bills. I know all this stuff is different for a lot of people and everything, but this allows you to see what you're spending, how you're spending it, and just keep you more focused. You have to be able to create a lifestyle. I have a few videos and a few podcasts where I discuss about lifestyles. If you're interested in those videos, make sure that you comment below and they say lifestyle, and I will make sure I will put that into my YouTube channel. But hopefully this benefits you and you can help yourself. And just make sure before you get into any type of investment online, make sure that you educate yourself and know exactly every dollar is going towards your bill. Just like how this particular app is showing me. My shopping is going towards this. My home is going towards this. Bills is going towards this. Travel is going towards that. Other things. You want to be as detailed as possible in order to get you to that next level, to allow you to perform better and to invest more money. So once you figure out how to finance this, when you can try to do services, trying to see if you can find a better job that offer more money. Try to find a second job, trying to find something that you can work at home so you can build as much capital as possible. Once you're able to build up capital to invest, that's when you start doing these online stores and everything else. But if you having trouble, try your best to just start small and then try to get bigger step by step. So I appreciate everyone checking out this video, and I will look forward to seeing you soon. Peace and love.